Hey, this is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com and welcome to the fourth lesson of your Facebook Ads Mastery course. In this lesson, we are going to learn about custom conversions. So let's get started. So what are custom conversions? Custom conversions is something that works with the Facebook pixel. It helps you track conversions on your website. It helps you optimize the ad for conversions. So if you are running an ad and if the goal of the ad is getting conversions, not just clicks or views, then a custom conversion helps a lot in that. So custom conversions are URL based conversion tracking as a replacement for standard events. To explain more, let's move on to the next slide. So what happens is that there was something called a conversion pixel, and then there was something called audience pixel, which was used for retargeting, and these were two separate types of scripts by Facebook. But Facebook pixel was launched recently, and the Facebook pixel goes ahead and does the job of both the conversion pixel and the audience pixel, and as well as has some new features. So here is a table which shows you the difference between Facebook pixel and the older pixels. So Facebook pixel, you can do conversion tracking, you can do conversion optimization, you can use it for audience retargeting. So if you want to show the ad only to the certain people who visit your website, you can do that. You can run dynamic ads with Facebook pixel. You can track custom conversions, and you can do advanced matching. So you can use Facebook pixel to develop different segments of audience as well, which I will show you in the next lesson when we are talking about audience creation. So let's look at the timeline for the new Facebook pixel. So by September 15th, 2016, all ad accounts were not able to create conversion tracking pixels anymore. So if you have noticed it, you will not be able to create this pixel. By October 15th, 2016, Facebook does not support the conversion tracking pixel and does not give any support for it. And by February 15, conversion tracking pixel will be completely disabled. So if you have any ads running on the old conversion tracking pixel, it's better to migrate to the new Facebook pixel and set up custom conversions. So what are standard events? So Facebook pixel is basically a JavaScript code that you place on all the pages of your website. But apart from that, you can also pass standard events on the JavaScript code itself. But I would not recommend that you go ahead with standard events unless you are a developer. So standard events, you have to pass data via JavaScript from the backend, and that's complicated for most users, including me. So if you have a developer in your company, obviously you can ask him to set up standard events, but instead what we do is that we set up custom conversions, and custom conversions are based on URLs. So basically what happens is that according to Facebook, if you have implemented the base code across the website but not standard events, you can leave the code as it is and create custom conversions using URL rules. So basically what I have done is that whenever I advertise to get people for my free digital marketing course, I see if people confirm their email ID and go to the thank you page. So if they go to the thank you page, then it is counted as a conversion. Towards the end of this video, I will show you inside my account how I have set it up. So basically you can put a rule that the URL equals or URL contains this particular set of words, and if people reach this particular URL, then it is counted as a conversion. So basically if you are not running an e-commerce store and have a page where you get payment from someone and they reach a thank you page, so you can, instead of putting the conversion tracking pixel on the thank you page, you are basically defining to Facebook that if people reach this particular page, then count it as a conversion. Even Google Analytics code works like this. So if we are setting up goals in Google Analytics, it works similarly. So the analytics code is also on all the pages of your website, and if someone reaches this particular page, then it is counted as a goal. So let's move ahead. So this is how you create custom conversion. Basically you put it as URL equals a particular URL, and then you can select a category for it. Category is basically for your own reference and it does not impact anything else. And when you are creating an ad, you can optimize the ad for conversion. So you can tell Facebook that show my ad only to the people who are likely to convert. So how does conversion optimization work? So it's like an auto split testing of the audience without the manual effort involved. let's say you want to create ads for different sets of demographics and different sets of people. It's going to be very complex because there are so many variables involved: gender, age, city. There are so many variables involved. It will not be possible for you to go ahead and do split testing for each and every scenario possible. So when you start an ad with the goal as conversions, then what Facebook does is that it starts showing the ad to different sets of people, different pockets of people, and see which pocket converts the best. So then what Facebook will start doing is that Facebook will show the ad only to the people who are most likely to convert, and it will not show the ad to the people who are not likely to convert. Let's say Facebook shows the ad to someone who likes a set of things or who has not liked a set of things, and let's say they have not clicked, and even if they have clicked, they have not converted. Then Facebook would learn, the Facebook ad engine will learn that these people are not likely to convert. And let's say Facebook shows the ad to some sets of people who actually converted, then Facebook learns that these people who have these characteristics, it may be the pages that they like, it may be the age of the people, it may be the gender, it may be the demographic location, it could be anything, right? So Facebook learns that these people are highly likely to convert, and Facebook starts showing the ad to these people first than the other sets of people. So only when the entire audience size starts getting exhausted, Facebook will stop showing the ad. Another thing to note in this entire thing is that it takes time for the optimization to be efficient. So obviously, when you see any split testing activity, if there is not enough sampling size, then the results will not be accurate. So you have to run the ad in such a way that there is at least 10,000 to 20,000 impressions per day for Facebook to learn how to optimize the ad for the best target audience. So what happens is that many marketers start at a conversion optimized ad. They run it for few days with very low budget, and they see that their total cost is very high, cost per conversion, and they start panicking. So what will happen is that if you let it run for a longer time, get more impressions, then you let Facebook learn which audience is likely to convert, and then Facebook will start showing the ad only to this audience, right? So don't panic with the high initial cost. If you are running ads for a client, if you are running ads for an employer, if you are running ads for your own business, you need a little bit confidence on Facebook that the ads cost will eventually come down. So if you have run the ad for, let's say, 50,000 impressions, then at 50,000 impressions it will start stabilizing. So that's what I have seen from my experience. So let's go on to a live demo and let's look inside my account. I will show you a few things of how to create custom conversions and things like that. So I will show you setting up custom conversions, and I will show you an ad with conversion as the goal and how the ad gets optimized for conversions. So here I am inside my Facebook ads account. So I am in the custom conversions page. So basically you get to custom conversion page by clicking on this icon and clicking on custom conversions. So here you can see that I have set up only one custom conversion, which is registered for free DM course. So this particular custom conversion is a conversion which is recorded when people visit my thank you page. Whenever someone looks at the ad, clicks on the ad, they sign up, and after they sign up, they get a confirmation mail, and if they click on the confirmation link, they land up on this page. So I have defined that if someone lands on this page, then consider it as a conversion, and the name of the conversion is registered for free DM course, and the category is complete registration. So it is connected to the pixel obviously, and it will show you the status which is active. So I also created another conversion which I have disabled temporarily for some statistical reasons. So every time someone visits this page is also considered as a conversion, but it's a different conversion. Note that you can create only 40 different custom conversions for every ad account. If you need more conversions, then you may have to go ahead and set up standard events. So this is custom conversions, and you can see that when you have set up custom conversions, you will be able to see the results as how many conversions have you received, instead of seeing the results in terms of clicks or in terms of impressions. So here you can see this is the reach, this is the cost per conversion, and this is the total amount spent, and here you can see this is the conversion that we have achieved. And this helps me because ultimate goal of running the ad is to get subscribers for my free digital marketing course. So let's go ahead and look at the Power Editor. So the same ad, what I have done is that I have gone into the ad group, and here you can see the goal of the ad. See, goal of the ad is optimized for a conversion, and the conversion is registered for a free DM course. So as we had discussed before, Facebook automatically goes ahead and optimizes the ad only in such a way that the ad shows only to the people who are likely to convert. Right, so let's go back here. So whenever you create a new campaign, what you have to do is that you can click on increase conversions on your website, and then go ahead and set up the ad in such a way that the goal of the ad is to get conversions, and Facebook will automatically optimize your ad for conversions. Alternatively, if you do something like boost your posts or promote your page or increase brand awareness, these types of goals will optimize for more impressions. For example, if there is a FMCG company who wants to increase brand awareness, so let's say they are advertising Coca-Cola or Pepsi or something like that, then what happens is that they don't need any conversions. They want more people to look at the ad and then go ahead and make the purchase in an offline store. So in such cases, you will optimize the ad for impressions or clicks than for conversions. So I hope this video lesson helped you understand what custom conversions are and how custom conversions help you run ads in a highly efficient way. So if you have any questions, ask it in the forum. Thanks for watching this video. And in the next lesson, we will look at different types of audiences, how to create audiences. So we have saved audiences, lookalike audiences, and all those different types of audience sets. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.